If you are new to perfumes, let me tell you one of the biggest mistakes people make. They think any spray will do, spray karo aur bas ho gaya. But here's the thing, your fragrance could be the last thing that people could remember about you once you leave the room. I learned this the hard way. And today I am going to show you something that actually changed the way I approach it. Especially if you are someone who wants to stand up. So let me take you back. College khatam hua, first job start kiya. And suddenly I'm going to office parties, weddings, events and on and on. And मैं वही कर रहा था जो most लड़के करते हैं. Deodorant spray कर लिया और done. Thinking that's enough. Then I noticed something. You know, some guys walk inside a room and there is this presence. Not loud, not overwhelming, but you know it's there. I used to think maybe it's the confidence or maybe it's the way they dress. But then I realized it's about their fragrance as well. So मैंने try करना start किया. Random perfumes, whatever was on sale, whatever friends recommended. Some lasted for 2 hours and some were just very ordinary. The expensive one, way out of budget. And the cheap ones felt cheap and I was just stuck. And that's when I understood that you need a perfume that's actually premium and that lasts longer as well. And then I got introduced to oud fragrances. If you haven't heard of oud, it belongs to the rich, woody, luxurious scent family. The word believes it has a Middle Eastern origin, but oud has some Indian heritage as well. पहली बार oud try किया and I was like कि भाई ये तो next level चीज है. But then I saw the prices. International oud perfumes were easily 10,000 15,000 रुपए के. And I thought that oud luxury is not for someone like me, at least at this stage of my life. Until I discovered Wildstone Oud Edition. Look at this packaging first. ये वो cheap gift set वाली feel नहीं है. The moment you open it, look at this presentation. 3 bottles, each with its own character. Gold detailing, premium finish. Honestly, this looks way more expensive than what it actually costs. 3 different oud fragrances, Regal, Imperial and Glory. Each one represents a different vibe and personality altogether. EDP perfumes हैं ये. That means high concentration of fragrance oils. मतलब long lasting performance. And this is not your ordinary Dio का replacement. ये genuine premium fragrances हैं. Let me walk you through each one of them क्योंकि इसमें हर एक bottle, हर एक perfume बहुत different. First is Code Oud Regal. It has a citrusy woody combination, fresh yet sophisticated. Initial fragrance citrusy है, but then it settles into its woody base. A perfect choice for everyday confidence. Not too heavy, not too light. It's a total balance formulation. Second is Code Oud Imperial. Now this one is a bit different क्योंकि इसमें actual aromatic depth है. This one is deeper, more intense, and it just builds those aromatic layers. This one is more suitable for evenings where you want to make a lasting impression. Dinner dates, parties, special occasions, this one is for you. ये definitely काफी long lasting है. इसकी एक स्प्रे आपको AM से PM तक मतलब सुबह से शाम तक आपके शर्ट पे आपके ऊपर रहेगी. And finally Code Oud Glory with woody oriental notes, and this is a showstopper. This one is for the occasions when you want to stand out. Subtle है but it's very unforgettable. Leaves a rich royal trail, and trust me, this fragrance enters the room before you do. So 3 distinct personalities, each charming and luxurious, and ये सब कुछ आपको मिल रहा है एक सेट में. Now let me tell you कि मैं इन perfumes को कब यूज करता हूँ because it actually matters. Right? Regal मेरा go to है, work है, brunch है, कुछ भी casual outing है, तब I use this. Sophisticated है but it's still not that overpowering. Imperial festive season चल रहा है, right? Wedding seasons, family functions, वो सब अभी चालू होने वाला, चालू हो भी चुके हैं. And उन सब के लिए ये perfume perfect है. You will smell premium, you will smell luxurious without trying too hard. And Glory है उन शामों और रातों के लिए when you want to be remembered. कोई बड़ा event है, important date है, कोई milestone mark करनी है, तब आप इसको लगाओ. And trust me, you will thank me later. Now having 3 options, that means you're never stuck. Different moods, different occasions, but आपको मिलेगी वो same premium and luxurious quality. Also ये set limited edition है, तो आपको ये हमेशा नहीं मिलेगा. Once the stock is gone, it's gone. अब बात करते हैं उस चीज की जिसके बारे में कोई बात नहीं करता, और वो है प्राइस. MRP है इसका ₹1,999 फॉर द कंप्लीट सेट. आपको 3 EDP परफ्यूम्स मिल रहे हैं प्रीमियम पैकेजिंग में, ऑल 50 ml. बट राइट नाउ ऑन Amazon ये आपको मिलेगा ₹1,299 के आसपास का. सो चेक दिस आउट. एंड इंटरनेशनल ओud परफ्यूम्स वो स्टार्ट ही होते हैं 5,000 से. एंड यहाँ आपको 3 सॉलिड परफ्यूम्स मिल रहे हैं सेम क्वालिटी के, सेम लग्जूरियसनेस के, एट अबाउट फ्रैक्शन ऑफ अ कॉस्ट. लुक, मैं यही नहीं कहूंगा कि इन परफ्यूम्स को लगाने से आपकी लाइफ चेंज हो जाएगी. दैट्स नॉट हाउ इट वर्क. बट हैविंग अ सिग्नेचर scent, it adds to your presence and personality. It kind of completes your look and it stays with people when you leave. I have been using this set for the past 3 to 4 weeks and the number of compliments I receive from people have increased. Best part, आपके पास option है. You can experiment कि आपकी personality के हिसाब से आपको कौन से occasion पे इन तीनों में से कौन सा scent जमेगा, and you can use it. क्योंकि ये सारे EDP हैं तो longevity solid है. सुबह लगाओ और रात तक आपको उतनी ही खुशबू आपसे आएगी जितनी सुबह आ रही थी. Projection is really good, longevity is really good, scents are really good, and also आपको बीच बीच में री-एप्लीकेशन की जरूरत नहीं पड़ने वाली. So if you want to get your hands on this, अभी ये Amazon पे इस ऑफर प्राइस पे मिल रहा है. Go check it out. लिंक मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन में एंड कमेंट्स में शेयर कर दिया है. फेस्टिव सीजन, वेडिंग सीजन चालू हो गया है, चल रहा है, एंड दिस इज द परफेक्ट गिफ्ट दैट यू कैन गिफ्ट टू योरसेल्फ और समवन दैट यू लव. एंड द बेस्ट थिंग, पैकेजिंग इतनी प्रीमियम है कि आपको इसके ऊपर गिफ्ट रैप लगाने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ने वाली. बट रिमेंबर, लिमिटेड एडिशन है, स्टॉक विल नॉट लास्ट फॉर लॉन्गर. द एंड ऑफ द डे, योर फ्रेग्रेंस इज बेसिकली एन इन्वेस्टमेंट इन योरसेल्फ. इट्स हाउ you are remembered. So if you are someone who chooses the extraordinary and not the ordinary, then this is for you. Let me know in the comments if you have tried oud fragrances before, and we can have a chat over there. And also let me know if this is going to be your first oud fragrance, because I am very curious to know about it. So this was it. If you found this video helpful, subscribe, like, share. Please share your love on this channel, and I will see you later in my next video. Until then, stay fit, stay healthy, and stay smelling good.